the most advanced robots you probably didn't know. Number 1. Kiva, warehouse robot. Amazon is leading a robotics race that will have a seismic impact on the warehouse industry. Today, Amazon has more than 350,000 mobile robots working inside its warehouse network. This robot army has helped the company fulfill its ever-increasing promises of speedy deliveries to Amazon Prime customers. The role robotics and advanced technology can play in not only innovating for customers, but helping make Amazon facilities safer. Number 2. Stretch by Boston Dynamics. A mobile robot designed to autonomously move boxes in trucks and on pallets around warehouse. The combination of strength and speed in Stretch's arm makes this a unique and potentially exciting entry into the warehouse robotics space. Useful mobile manipulation in any environment that's not almost entirely structured is still a significant challenge in robotics. Number 3. Microscopic robot. Scientists at Cornell University have created a tiny micro-robot that walks using 4 legs. Invisible to the naked eye, their legs can be independently triggered to bend using laser light. By toggling the laser back and forth between the front and back legs, the robot walks. It would take less than a week to make a swarm of 1 million robots, designed to hunt down and destroy cancer cells.
Hey Google, send Spot to front door.
Number 4. Spot by Boston Dynamics. Spot is an agile mobile robot that navigates terrain with unprecedented mobility, allowing you to automate routine inspection tasks and data capture safely, accurately, and frequently. Boston Dynamics says Spot is ideal for maintenance, inspection, and mapping. Like other Boston Dynamics robots, Spot's movement is so organic it's capable of climbing stairs and walking across uneven terrain. Number 5. Moley Robotic Kitchen. A game-changing step into the future of cooking at home, Moley brings you the world's first fully robotic kitchen. Moley allows you to save time, free up your day from routine cooking, plan and adapt your menu according to different diets and lifestyles, enjoy international cuisine anytime, control calories and get cooking tips and recipes from chefs around the world. Suggests dishes based on the items you have in stock, learns what you like and even cleans up surfaces after itself.